Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Creative Careers, and if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I make contents regarding all sort of design related and creative fields, and especially regarding graphic, interiors and UX UI design. And if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I also make contents regarding architecture, planning and all your seed, USEED, NID, these sort of examination of creative examination. And if you are not interested in studying and want to make a career with your creativity, then still subscribe to my channel because I make contents of all these sort of things. So let's begin without wasting the further time. So design principles are basically applied for any visual design. So what comes exactly in first your visual design is your graphic design. So graphic design is majorly important. One of the most important visual design, as we can say. It is used in multimedia design, it is used in web designing, it is used in your interfaces designing, just like your web design and all these sort of things. So design principles, there are basic 7 design principles. These are constantly used in every design you see, look around you. When they combine with the design elements and principles, they give you a design. So we'll be studying design elements, graphic design elements in the upcoming video. Let's study the principles today and go to elements next video. And if you want to see all my graphic design related video, they are in my playlist. Please go and check out them. Whatever you feel is important for you, please go and watch it. So design principles are unity, variety, balance, hierarchy, contrast, emphasis, scale and proportion, and repetition. So what is unity, variety? Unity is where you can see similarity in all the things, and variety is there is some difference. The image at the left of you has unity in the color and variety in the size, whereas the image at the right at you has unity in the size and variety in the colors. So this is exactly same way when a woman go to a sari shop, or especially for any shopping, they'll be having two things in mind. Can I have the same design with a different color? Can I have the same color with a different design? So can you just get it in your mind like this? So this is how you can understand unity and variety. Then there's balance. Balance always is about weighing. So if you have two weights, you try to balance it. In design also, you try to balance them with certain elements. So for example, I'll take the example of your interfaces here. So if you open any app or anything, you will be having these sorry for that, you'll be having these two elements which will come around you. Like here I have a image of certain things on the right, and left there are certain things which are exactly symmetrically I have balanced them. Then there will be certain things where for example my top image will be of a higher or a rectangular space completely used for that. Then below it I'll be having two symmetrical things, so it is kind of a symmetrical balance. Or sometimes when you open the app, there will be images on the one side, and there will be written on things on the other side, right? For example, the way your YouTube works, it works exactly like that, where are your visuals, your videos will be on another one side, and its description will be given on the other side. So that's how you balance asymmetrically, but still it's a balanced thing. Then you have hierarchy, where something is given higher importance. Hierarchy means the image I am having at the right has everything written in the same line or similar size, but on the left you have certain headlines, or then you have some smaller words that is not that important. Then you have some subheading that is like important note you should read. Then you can go on the further thing, right? Then next one and most important one is like contrast. The contrast is something where you keep two different things in a similarity, and they will go with each other. That can happen with two or more things by changing in color, size or shape. For example, I'm balancing out a square with a circle, or I'm balancing out with a red color with a yellow color, or green with a yellow. So these contrasting, how you use your contrast in your, when you will be getting ready, you will be wearing one sort of jeans, and contrast color you try to wear a shirt on that, right? For example, I would wish to have a lower of a green color, lower of a black color, then I would go for a cream color top rather than going for a black color, because contrast looks better than complete unity in color there, right? So this is how you use design principles in any of your major poster design as well. Then you have emphasis. Emphasis is again similar to giving importance. This time you change some shape out of it, or you make something a higher vision, like hierarchy, or you change its color and give it a higher importance. Your emphasis is something you can take as where your eyes go at first sight. In all these images, where you look first, in first image you will look to the distorted rhombus. In the second one you go for the orange colored square. In the third one you go for a bigger circle, because that is where your eye moves, because you are providing a emphasis. And these design principles literally work for all these business deals. For example, when you will be giving 3 different plans for for purchasing plans, you will make a plan bigger by giving it by enhancing it, or using the emphasis or a hierarchy design principle, which will be more profitable for the business and profitable for people as well. So here you exactly use the emphasis design principle in your web design or in your business design. Okay, then you go for scale and proportion. It's again it's very important. One should be in scale with other things. When you write something, it should not happen that I have these many words in a very huge, then my second fonts are coming extremely small. That should not happen. There should be a scale and proportion out of it. This can be best given example by if I have a poster, I cannot make 100% in everything in written. I need to give some proportion for images as well in that, right? Then the last one is repetition. Repetition is used where certain design elements are constantly repeated. It's the most common and most easiest design principle applied for every design. For pattern making especially, it's highly important. So all the patterns you see around you are of these. So hope you like this one. Thank you.